learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我係廉習小 Joseph Lin, right here teaching you some practical everyday vocabulary with Hakka. 我们通常都会教一些都是比较日常生活天天可以用到的客语哈。
对。
但是今天呢，我们聊一个就是跟婚礼结婚有关的单字好了。
好
OK, all right, let's teach you 结婚 getting married.
結婚
get 婚 OK 就跟台语有点像结婚 get 婚哈。你结婚了吗 Are you married?
你結婚嗎？
你結婚嗎？那这个结婚呢一定会有婚礼对不对？There's going to be a wedding when you get married. How do you say wedding?
婚禮
要分离咯不要分离啊为什么要分离了？要结婚婚礼分离啊？你说分
你刚才说
离
要结婚要参加婚礼，
婚禮
所以婚禮叫婚禮。
真的哦It sounds like separating, but it actually means a wedding. All right, 婚礼分离。这个礼拜六呢要去参加朋友的婚礼，常常会听到这句话。
对
啊，
好日子嘛。
That's right. This Saturday, I'm going to attend a friend's wedding.
廿集禮拜六，
廿集禮拜六。
我去參加朋友嘅婚禮。
我去參加朋友嘅婚禮。Okay, that means I'm attending a friend's wedding ceremony this Saturday.
那婚禮的海陸腔，
好，
婚禮，
婚禮就是海陸腔，然後視線是
婚禮，
婚禮 All right, just a little bit difference in tone for a different dialect. 那刚刚讲到一个比较伤感的，就是真的会有离婚这种事情发生。离婚 getting a divorce.
離婚，
离婚啊，不是分离的倒过来吗？
被你去想到了。
对啊 That's funny because divorce sounds like the opposite of having a wedding. And it actually means divorce. You just flip those two characters around. All right, 现在离婚率很高. Divorce rate is getting really high these days.
呀哈，離婚率動高。
呀哈，離婚率動高。All right. And finally, 如果離了婚的話，你就又回到單身了，對不對？好 Let's teach people how to say I'm single. All right, 單身。
單身。
單身。我現在還是單身。
我呀哈，還係單身。
我呀哈，還係單身。
所以這個句話你要講再一次。
我呀哈，還係單身。
好了，不要再強調了。
就是還是單身。
I
am still single. All right, there you have it. Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.